Did you know that tretinoin can reduce fine lines and wrinkles by up to 50%? Today, I'm putting tretinoin to the test to see if it really can reverse aging skin. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Tretinoin has been making waves in the skincare world for its potential to combat aging skin. It's a derivative of vitamin A and has been used for decades to treat various skin concerns. From reducing fine lines and wrinkles to fading age spots, tretinoin seems like a miracle worker. But does it really live up to the hype? As we age, our skin starts to show signs of wear and tear. Wrinkles and fine lines begin to form, and our skin loses its elasticity. It's a natural process, but that doesn't mean we can't take steps to slow it down. Many of us struggle with dull, uneven skin tone, and it's hard to find products that actually work. I've tried countless creams and serums that promise to turn back the clock, but often they just don't deliver. Aging skin can be a real confidence killer. Think about it. When our skin looks good, we feel good. But when it's dull, dry, and wrinkled, it's hard to feel confident. And it's not just about looks. Our skin is a reflection of our overall health. So, when we take care of our skin, we're taking care of ourselves. I've seen friends and family members struggle with skin issues, and it's amazing how much of a difference a good skincare routine can make. The thing is, many products on the market only offer temporary fixes. They might smooth out fine lines or brighten up your complexion, but they don't address the underlying issues. That's where tretinoin comes in. Its ability to promote cell turnover and collagen production makes it a game changer for aging skin. I've heard stories of people using tretinoin and seeing real results, and I'm excited to dive deeper into how it works. So how does tretinoin actually work its magic? At a cellular level, tretinoin helps to increase cell turnover, which means it encourages your skin to shed old, damaged cells and replace them with new, healthy ones. This process not only improves skin texture, but also helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Plus, tretinoin stimulates collagen production, which gives your skin its strength and elasticity. The result? Smoother, plumper, more youthful-looking skin. Studies have shown that tretinoin can increase collagen production by up to 80%, which is a significant improvement in skin elasticity. Additionally, tretinoin has been shown to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by up to 50%. These statistics are impressive, but what really matters is how tretinoin works for real people. Real people who have used tretinoin have seen remarkable improvements in their skin. From reducing age spots to smoothing out wrinkles, the results are impressive. I've come across numerous testimonials from people who swear by tretinoin's ability to reverse aging skin. Some even claim it's the only product that's made a significant difference in their skin. While individual results may vary, the science behind tretinoin is undeniable. Its ability to promote cell turnover, stimulate collagen production, and reduce inflammation makes it a powerhouse in the fight against aging skin. And with consistent use, tretinoin can be a valuable addition to any skincare routine. In conclusion, tretinoin seems to be a strong contender in the anti-aging skincare market. Its ability to improve skin texture, reduce signs of aging, and promote collagen production makes it a product worth considering. If you're struggling with aging skin, it might be worth exploring. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on tretinoin in the comments below. If you're interested in more skincare tips and product reviews, be sure to check out my other videos.